So today I am playing Grow a Garden 2. Since it is new, I haven't tried it yet. So I am trying it today. Let's see how to play this. Now, I'm new to this Grow a Garden 2. So let's see. What is this? I think we have to go to the seed shop and buy a seed. So I bought this carrot seed. Now let's go to our garden and plant this. Now I'll wait. Good. Now I will share my carrot. Let's see how much I will get from this. Oh, I got 3 coins, I think. This is, I'm new to this game, so I don't know anything. I mean, I'm not new, but I haven't played Grow a Garden 2. I know Grow a Garden 1 and my garden is so big, yes. Not so big, but it is big. Now I'm planting my seeds, carrot seed. I have heard that in this game, in this Grow a Garden 2, we can stay at night, so let's see. Let's wait for night to come and I will fail, or I will steal colors. Oh, this wasn't, this gave me this, I don't know what, it's sending me friend request, I don't know what to do. Yeah. Let's see what is in stock. I don't know, so I'm very noob. That was his name. 670, 67 in his name. 6767. Oh, let me buy that. Tulip. It is good for beginners. And I'm beginners. Nothing is in stock right now. Oh my god, only tulip is there. If they are resting that out of me, I don't know what to say. Oh, it is growing. I'm just waiting for night to come. Hey, why is this person doing this to me? Oh my god. Go away! Go away from me. I know he can't listen me, but still I'm so angry. Oh my god. Wait, I will also do that to you now. Wait. Go. He left. Because he's scared of me. Because I'm ready. I don't know. When will night come? I'm waiting. I have 2 tulips, so let's sell that.